Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Learn Today. In this video, we are going to talk about something very small in English but very powerful. Articles. There are only 3 articles in English. A, and the. But trust me, most learners make mistakes while using them. Today, I'll explain in such a simple way that after this video, you'll never be confused again. So first, what are articles? Articles are small words that come before nouns. They help us talk about whether we mean something general or something specific. For example, I saw a dog in the park. Any dog, not a specific one. Here we are talking about any dog, like I am going in the park and I saw any dog. So what will I use here? I will use a. I saw a dog in the park. Next example. I saw the dog in the park. Notice here the specific dog that both you and I know about. So here the sentence says, I saw the dog in the park, unlike the previous sentence which used a dog, because that wasn't a specific one. It was just a general dog. I was talking about just a general dog I saw. But here I saw the dog in the park. If suppose a dog who is already known to you and I'm talking about that specific dog, then we will say I saw the dog in the park, because I'm talking about a particular dog which maybe you have seen yesterday in the park, which maybe we have already seen few days before in the park. When we talk about a specific person, a specific animal or anything specific, we use the. So could you see the difference? Small words, but they change the meaning completely. So if we are talking about anything in general, we use a dog in the park. But when we are talking about a particular dog, then we say the dog in the park. Now, let's start with a and an. These are called indefinite articles because they talk about something general, not specific. That is why it is so called indefinite articles. Now, when do we use a and when do we use an? It's actually very simple. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound. Oh, wait, what are consonants? In English, we have 26 letters. 5 of them are vowels, namely A, E, I, O and U. All the other letters are called consonants. So letters like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N and so on. Those letters are called consonants. That means if a word starts with any of those letters, we use a. Few examples: a book, a dog, a car, a house. Simple, right? A goes with consonant sound. Here all the words, whether book, dog, car, house, all starts with a consonant. Simple, right? Okay. Now, use an before words that start with a vowel sound. Hey, notice that? I didn't say a vowel letter. I said a vowel sound. So pay attention. Let us take few examples. An apple is on the table. Apple. Apple. It's starting with the sound of a. That is A. So, an is used before an apple. An egg in the basket. Egg. Egg. Egg is starting with the alphabet E as well as the sound is of E. But here's the golden rule. It's not about the letter. It's about the sound, as I have already demonstrated in the examples above. Now, we say an hour because H is silent. It sounds like R. O-U-R-R. The sound is of R. But the spelling is starting from H. So, our emphasis is on the sound. not on the spelling. Let's take another example. We say a university, university, because it sounds like university and U is not a vowel sound. That is why we say a university. Now let's move on to the. This one is called the definite article. We use the when we are talking about something specific, something both the speaker and the listener know. Let us take few examples. I saw the dog in your garden. You know which dog I am talking about already. Please close the door. I am talking about the specific door in this room. We also use the when there is only one of something, like the sun rises in the east. The moon looks beautiful tonight. And we use the for unique and we use the for unique places, rivers, seas and famous things. The Taj Mahal, the Eiffel Tower, the Pacific Ocean. Okay, now let me give you some quick memory hacks so you never forget. And. It is used first time, in general, anyone. Like, I saw a boy in the park. Like, I saw a boy in the park for the first time. You don't know who he is. The is used for specific, already known, unique things. I saw the boy again in the park. Now you know which boy I'm talking about. I'm talking about a specific, a particular, a unique, a already known boy. Sound matters more than spelling. And are not a hour. Because we are not saying hour, we are saying hour. So the spelling is of H, but the sound is of A. R. R. The sound is of R. So A. It's starting with the sound of A. A university. Yeah. University. Alright? A university. Because it starts with U sound. Let's fix some common mistakes English learners make. Let us take an example. I saw an apple. I saw an apple. Now, could you tell which one is the correct? If you said, I saw an apple, then you are right. Why? We all know apple is a word which starts with the alphabet A, and A is a vowel. And as per the rules, before all vowels we use article an. So apple starts with vowel A, so we will be using an. I saw an apple is the correct answer therefore. Now let us take another example. He is an honest man. Hey, wait. This one is correct because H is silent here. Did you notice? Honest. The sound is not of honest. It's not honest. It's honest. Is a word of a vowel. Now next example. She went to the school yesterday. She went to school yesterday. She went to school yesterday is the correct answer. No article is needed here because we mean school in general as a concept, not for a particular specific thing. Articles are tricky sometimes because in English, some nouns don't need them at all. For example, we don't say the Mount Everest is the highest mountain. Rather, we say Mount Everest is the highest mountain. But we do say the Himalayas because it's a mountain range. Let's recap with a short story. Yesterday I saw a dog. The dog was chasing an apple. Then the dog jumped into the river. See how all three articles came into play? First time, when you saw for the first time, it was a dog. Vowel word before vowel apple, we are using an apple. Something specific, when we are talking about a specific river, then we are using the river. That's all the magic of articles. So remember the golden rules. An is used for general, like a dog, an apple. When we are talking about the dog in general, we will be using a dog. When we are talking about an apple in general, we will be using an apple. Da is used when we are talking about something specific or unique, like the sun, the Taj Mahal. Sound is more important than spelling while using a and an. And now you'll never make mistakes with articles again. If you want more practice, watch this video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Let's Learn Today. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next lesson.